And this is Rose. How's it going? It's going great. Today I'm playing Whack Your Computer. And let's read this what they're saying. A public service. Finally an app to manage your anger without harming anything. The challenge? Find all 12 with X, 15 items to whack your computer. Disclaimer. If you are experiencing serious anger through, please bring them immediately to your overpaid human resource person. Okay, let's start the game. Oh, no. That sounds major high. Man. Okay, let's see. Acting so friendly. I guess he likes the girl. He looks a little bit angry. Let's see what are there. This is a fishbowl. Just a little drop. I think he wants to save the little fishy. Hates He hates the computer, but the poor fishy should survive. Ooh, she likes him anyway. It was just a dream. Let's look in one of those closets. Let's see. What? He has a chainsaw? He just let it fall. Agent history. So funny. Let's see what other stuff there is. That's swords. See the swords. He tries to act like a ninja, and he's actually an idiot. Man, that was good. That was good. Man, he hates that computer. What the? Let's see this telephone. Who's he calling? What? What is he doing? Oh, there goes the aeroplane. Whoa. You just plan to buy a nuke? I don't think it's a nuke. I think it's just a strong bomb. But seriously, man. Gosh, can't believe that. Let's see. Oh, no, I don't want that. Sorry, guys. Let's see. One of the puzzles. What's he looking for? Oh, she made the X mark. He took the hammer. So obvious. That was so obvious, man. Let's see one of the other closets on the left side. Man, a girl likes him. A circle, really? First it was a dot and now it's a circle. Whoa. Man, that's a nice shot, you know. Blah. Man. That was a nice shot. Let's see that weird looking sculpture. Nah, try to act strong before that girl. Can you believe it? Really? Really? That was ridiculous. You see one of the carpets? Nope. The chair, the wheel of the chair? Wah, wah, wah. Really? Really? Okay, let's see. Something on a girl. The ghost chair. Yeah, the ghost chair. Let's try it. Man, now she hates the computer. check how she's been. This time he's falling in love with her. That was so funny. Acting so cool. I hate that. Let's see. Something outside. Oh wait, I paused it. Something outside. Really? Come on, I don't think a girl would actually fall in reality with that guy. Violence not everything, man. Let's see the door. Yeah, the door has to do something. He's running away? Oh wait, no, he's coming back. Whoa. Nice throw, though. Let's see that weird thingy down point. I can't remember what you call it. Okay, nope, it doesn't work. I'm sure one of the carpet must be something. Come on, only 4 more stuff. I know you're somewhere. Oh, there. The right side. Whoa, a bazooka. Man. Man, that's a strong bazooka. Really? Really? It's like, boom. Really, it's not necessary to destroy that photo so bad. Destroy the pots at the right side. Nope. Oh man. I have no idea where's the rest. The ghost shoe? Yeah, the ghost shoes. Ah. His eyes hurt it, but he's still in love with it. Ah, can you believe that? Really? Man, it's not just him that hates it. No, I don't want to do that again. Sure, something outside must be something like that. Come on. I don't know what. What? The girl's hair, probably. Pencil. Man, I can't seem to get it. Come on. Guys, I have really no idea what there is. Oh wait, there's another closet we can try? Oh no, that's the same. Never mind. Actually, just 2 more. Really? I really saw it. still funny. Okay, let's try something else then. What about the second closet? First. Oh, there's something. What? He's putting dynamite in her computer? Man, he must be an idiot. He's like, I'm gonna install an upgrade for my computer with a bomb. That was clever. Okay, let's see. No, not again. I'm gonna pause it, let it finish doing it. Okay, let's check for something else. Come on, just one more. What about the table itself? Come on. What about this chair? Come on, I have really no idea. I have really no idea. Trying to act like a pro there. I think it's something to do with his fingers. He hates the computer so badly. Come on. Come on, I have really no idea. Let's see one of the other things on the photos. Puzzles. Oh man, I have really no idea. I just got tapped randomly. Just missing the stuff I haven't touched yet. That I have touched. I'm just gonna do this one again. Gonna pause quickly. Okay guys, I think I gotta pause the video and figure it out what it is. Then I will play the game when I've already figured it out. So just wait a minute. Hi everyone, I figured it out. The last one is spear. There at the top. Let's see what it does. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't know it, but yeah, let's see. Hudson Spearman! Come on, really? And thank you everyone for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. That would really be appreciated. So I think this is goodbye. Bye 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 bye.